trade recap on the day. It is July 16, made around $956. Let's get right into it. So first thing, coming on to the daily time frame, right? Daily time frame was just obviously chopped, bro. It was very choppy price action on the daily. As you can see, we're really doing nothing. So we came down to the 4 hour. What were we looking at? So 4 hour, we had very nice relative equals above. I really do think that if we don't take it out this week, next week we will want to come up higher to take out these relative equals unless we just start ripping lower. But these relative equals are very clean. But what I was looking at was these relative equals below. Reason I was looking at these relative equals below is because coming into the day, there we go, relative equals. Coming into the day, I was obviously very bearish because not only did we have very close relative equals right over here, coming down to the hourly time frame, we were able to see if we push price a bit more. Okay, like right here, we can see that if we come to the 1 hour time frame, we have a fair value gap right above. Look how close we are to these relative equals. I mean, we're only 52 points away, so I was very confident that we'd want to take these draws out. Now, I was looking at the 1 hour time frame. I saw this fair value gap. If we were to have pushed all the way up here, I'd want to see this internal get taken while respecting this fair value gap and then get the distribution lower. But we also on the 30-minute had this beautiful formation over here, which came right into discount of the range, which was right there. Came right into discount of the range inside of that fair value gap. Then went down to the, I was actually going to take the 1 minute over here. But as you can see, I ended up getting absolutely rinsed on this entry. It was way too late of entry. So I was like, you know what? Whatever. I'll wait for another IFEG. And we ended up getting this 5 minute. And why are my trade executions off? Okay, for some reason, oh, it's because I'm on the, there you go, trade executions. So as you can see, I ended up getting right over here around and targeted straight for these lows, these relative equals. And TP was honestly just beautiful, bro. Could not ask for anything more. It was a beautiful trade, and I am more than happy with my beautiful profits for the day. So I did take this trade live in my Discord. If you do want to learn how I trade, link is in the description, first link down below. And it's a whole crash course. I mean, I have 10 hours plus of pre-recorded videos. I have live trading, so you can copy my trade as I took this trade with my students. Everyone banged today. Not only that, daily bias every single morning and one-on-one help. Me personally getting on call with you and helping you out in trading. So if that's something what you're looking for, first link is in the description. Other than that, I also have some discounts for some brokers down below, some funded accounts. Go check that out as well. And I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay positive and be consistent in the market, and you will succeed. Peace.